Alright, so today is the air show. So we're gonna attempt to take off this thing and do some sick tricks with it. Bruh, look at this. I wanna go in the cockpit view. Alright. So we got a ton of people watching. Like, this is a very important event. Alright, nice takeoff. Alright. Alright, we're gonna turn off these flaps. Wrong button. Alright. So first off, we're gonna start with a simple barrel roll. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay. Alright, I almost already crashed. And then we're gonna try loop-de-loop. This is not safe at all because I almost crashed doing like a really easy barrel roll. Oh, okay. This is looking like a loop-de-loop right now. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go straight down and then pull up at the last second. Are you ready? Because I'm not. 3, 2, 1. We're gonna pull. Well, that's why you never see me hosting an air show.